Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. I don't know if you can hear in my voice, but I have so much stuff in my nose and in my throat. It's terrible. But I know that my body will shake it. I just have to stay strong, and you know, it's just the changing of seasons and all the sickness that's going around with my child in school and riding public transportation. So the usual stuff that happens this time of year, but I'm doing well. I'm doing well. My spirits are high. We're out running errands this morning. We have to get some more stuff for Linnea's little kitchen project. I think Roman is wanting to start that today. Okay, so let's go to the craft store. Come on, Nea, let's go. Let's go.
I'm so mad.
You're so mad.
That's not funny.
It's so funny.
Not funny.
It is funny. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay, then let's go get you some food. Oh my gosh, he's hangry. He's hangry. He's so hungry. He's angry. Look at that face. Are you hungry?
No, I'm not. I'm not angry. I'm mad. Our family.
Our family? What about our family? What?
A family cannot do.
You're getting blown by the wind? Oh! I guess that is kind of a funny sensation. Just to clarify, we're not laughing at him being angry. He was laughing too, so it was all just fun, just good fun. Are you really? Are you really mad? No. No, I know. We're just playing around. So if he were really angry or something, I wouldn't pull the camera out and do any of that. But he was laughing about it and joking about it. So, and he was laughing, and it made us laugh so hard because he just kept saying, "I'm so angry. I'm so hungry." And I thought, that sounds kind of familiar, because when Roman is hungry, he also gets very, very angry. I don't know if I do. I don't really know. I'm sure I do, but I think that's kind of the normal thing, right? I'm tired. All right, kids, here we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Look at these two people.
These are my people. Ooh. You guys are my people, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Calum is such a good brother. You keeping her safe?
Yeah.
Walk her over more towards this side, sweetie. Closer to the...
Come here.
Yeah, over towards the wall, not towards the street, okay?
Yeah, come here.
All right, what's going on here?
Okay.
Pay attention.
Okay, druk erop. Ist raus. Okay, andere Seite. Weiter. Drück. Schau hin, schau, auf die Bohrmaschine. Drück. Weiter. Weiter. Okay, ist raus.
Good that looks. Roman, you did a good job.
But I still finish for the night.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. You made a lot of progress. What's nice is we bought the kitchen for Callum, but we're renovating it for Linnea. You know, because like Roma and I were talking earlier about how Linnea has the second child curse, in that we're purchasing stuff for Callum, and then she ends up playing with it, but it's not something that was picked out for her. And it's not that she needs a lot of stuff or needs much, like that's not what I'm saying, but it is kind of nice buying something for her with her in mind, as opposed to oh, look at Linnea playing with Callum's old truck, you know, or it's a nice feeling to do that for her. So I feel really happy that we're doing this kitchen for her. And yeah, we bought it for Callum. Yes, we're making it nice for her. Like we're putting in the work for it for her, because we want her to love it and enjoy it and feel like it's special for her. And she'll love it no matter what. She loves the kitchen. She'll play with it no matter what. But it just, for me, it makes me feel really happy. The things we do for our kids. Well, I think I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.